The noun 実行 is used with plans, orders, and computer programs. 実行、計画や命令、プログラムの時によく使います。実行 means doing a plan or order, putting an idea into action, or running a computer program. 計画や指示をその通りにやること。考えを行動に移すこと。コンピューターではプログラムを動かすこと。The first kanji means real, true, and fruit. It suggests making something real or full. You see it in words like 実力 and 実験. That sense of reality carries into the whole word. The second kanji means go, do, and line. It shows movement and action. You hear it in iku and kodo. It adds the idea of actually doing something. Execute the plan. 計画を実行します。計画を実行します。Please do it now. すぐ実行してください。すぐ実行してください。Can you run the app? そのアプリを実行できますか？そのアプリを実行できますか？ He carried out the order. 手は命令を実行した。手は命令を実行した。The most common synonyms of the word are 実施 and 実践. 実施 is formal and used for policies, rules, or events. 実践 is applying skills or theory in real life. 実行 is broader and neutral for doing a plan, order, or task. The most common antonyms of the word are 中止 and 延期. 中止 stops the plan, and 延期 delays it. 実行 means you go ahead and do it.